Today I'm going to show you how to make this design from scratch without doing anything fantastic, but using the simple little tools that I have learned. So take a look. I'm going to start brand new. I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go Create New. I'm going to do an Instagram post as my layout. I went to Pinterest. I found my background. So I'm going to use the one I uploaded. Bring it over. I'm going to stretch it out. I'm going to adjust my side. I'm going to put in text, and I want some crazy text. So we're going to type in font, F-O-N-T, Studio, S-T-U-D-I-O. We're going to click on this app right here. We're going to check out this happy. I'm going to put it as lucky day. And then we're going to add design. We're going to make it a little bit bigger. Then we're going to add another text. Take this outline and put in that, and I'm going to add it. And then I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. Adjust it a little bit. Now I want to put in an element, and I'm using the pot of gold. I want to add an arrow that shows you that, hey, I found that. And then it's kind of boring, so I want to add a little text. So I'm going to go back to apps. I'll get rid of that and type in text maker. Grab the text because it shows gold. And type in golden. I scroll down to find the golden one that I want. There it is. I'll put in my saying. I'm going to hit add design. Add. And then I'm going to adjust it over here. And there is my design that I can download and save and use for another Pinterest post or Instagram post or whatever. Stay tuned as I have more tips and tricks of how to use Canva.